Hello again, and thank you for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Well, sadly today I have got a video ready to go actually on the Velo Solix. It was just a little review I had, but heard some more bad news last night that I don't remember last week's episode. I mentioned a close friend of mine and her husband Wayne lived in Bolton. Unfortunately, we just heard the news last night that her mum's just died. So her brother Andy is also a close friend of mine. We've had a bad few months with my mum's funeral in October. We had another neighbour, Kay. Her funeral was a couple of weeks ago. And Thursday last week, we had my close friend, Andrew Mowes, his funeral. Same age as me, same month. It was another shock. But now we've just heard the news that my friend's mum, Pat, had just died last night. So I don't, they are subscribers, and I don't feel it's right for me to do a video today. It's ready, and it's a little bit light-hearted, so I don't think under the circumstances and out of respect it's right to do that video today. So I'll show it next week, but you know, love and thoughts to Sue and Andy, my friends, at this sad time.